Hello Excelers and welcome. Thanks for joining me today for another How to Excel at Excel.com Excel tip video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to get notified when there's a new Excel tip available here on my YouTube channel. And if you want to sign up for the How to Excel at Excel newsletter, which gives you 3 free Excel tips every month direct to your inbox, there's a link below in the description box there. And when you sign up, you'll get my free ebook, which has got my top 30 Excel tips.
Hello and welcome to my next Excel video. Today I'm going to show you how to count any cells in your Excel data range that contain text. So this can be any text. It's not a specific string or letter, it is just any type of text. So in the example, I've got a list of customer IDs. Some of them are a mixture of letters and numbers. Some of them are just numbers. And what I want to identify is those customers, because they represent in this data set old customers. How many customers have IDs that contain text? And we do this using the Countif function. So a quick reminder of the syntax of the Countif function, which counts the number of cells within a range that meets a given condition. So that is, our range is the customer IDs and the condition is any type of text. So let's go ahead and open the parentheses, and that will bring us to the arguments. So the range in this case is B3 to B10, comma, B3 to B10, and our criteria is any type of text, and we do that by using a wildcard, which is the star. So we need to surround the wildcard in quotation marks. So that's our criteria. Close the parentheses and hit OK. So Excel has identified 2 customers that have text in their IDs. So these actually represent older customers. So we know how many in the data set are older customers. So let's just test it and add in another customer. And let's just take that down to 11, and that's picked up the new customer that has a letter in its ID. That's all for today. I hope you found that useful. So that's how to count cells that contain text in your Excel data range, and we used the Countif function with a wildcard to do that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It all really does help the channel, and I'll see you next time for another Excel video.